Okay, so today we want to do a short video on the difference between red and white oak. It's a question we often get asked at our sales counter from customers, is if we can help them identify whether their floor is red or white oak. So here's a quick tip for you that'll help you identify it. So color is often a way you can tell. You can see this is a much more brown tone, where you've got red oak is the more pinkish tone. But if you get a board that already has finish on it or stain, that's not always easy to look at and then tell. So if you can get one of your boards, pull it up and cut it cross grain. So on the red oak, if you look closely after you cut it, you'll see all these little straws or pinholes in the grain that go up into the board. So that's a way to identify the red oak. Very open pore on the end grain. Now if you take a look at the white oak board, once you cut that across grain, you'll see it's very closed pore. There's no open straws going into the board. Almost a glazed look on that end grain. So that's a way to identify whether you've got a red or a white oak floor. Now, if you're not sure on that, you can also get the white oak test kit from Woodwise. Now this product, what you'll do is you'll shave some of the flooring into this little tray. You'll saturate it with part A, and then you'll put some of part B on top of it. And if you have a white oak floor, what you'll see is it'll turn very, very black in color quite quickly, usually within a couple minutes. If it's a red oak, you'll see little to no change. So there you have it, a little couple ways to test whether you've got red or white oak flooring. So when you do your addition or repair, you can be sure it's going to match. Thanks.